This is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to see chapter number 6, square roots and cube roots. In the previous video, we have solved problem number 1 and 2 in 6.1 exercise. So here we are going to solve problem number 3 in exercise 6.1. Look at the question. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reasons. So here he is given already the given questions all are not perfect squares. So we have to write the reasons for that. Okay, right. So we have one property of square numbers. What is that? The numbers which are ending with are nothing but the numbers which are having 2, 7 and 8, 2, 3, 7, 8 in its units place, then they are not perfect squares. The numbers which are having 2, 3, 7, 8 in its units place, they are not perfect squares. So by this property we can say number 1, number 2 and number 3, number 5. These 4 problems, it means 257 is not a perfect square due to this property, and number 2, 4, 5, 9, 2 is also not a perfect square because it is having 2 in its units place, and number 3, 2, 4, 3, it is having 3 in its units place, that is why it is not a perfect square. And number 5, 6, 0, 9, 8, it is having 8 in its units place, so it is also not a perfect square. So once again I am repeating, the numbers which are having 2, 3, 7, 8 in its units place, they are not perfect squares. Okay, this is one of the property of perfect squares. Okay, right. So as well as so we can write common property. So write down here the numbers which are having 2, 3, 7, 8 in its units place, then they are not perfect squares. Okay, so by this property 257 and 4592 and 2433 and 6098 are not perfect squares. Okay, right. So 1, 2, 3, 5 is over. So coming to number 4th bit, 5050. Okay, right. So one more property here. So the numbers which are having 0, 1, 5, 9, 0, 1, 5, 9. Okay, is it okay, and 6 also, sorry, 0, 1, 5, 9, 6. Okay, right. So the numbers which are having 0, 1, 5, 9, 6 as well as 4 also, then they are, I will write in the order 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Then the numbers which are having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 in its units place, they are perfect square. But coming to 0 case, if the number is perfect square, that definitely end with even number of zeros. Okay, did you get the concept? So then if the number is perfect square, if it consists 0 in its units place, they must contain at least 2 or even number of zeros. Did you get that? So here it is 5050 having only 1 0 in its units place. Okay, suppose 100 is a perfect square because it is having 2 zeros. Okay, it is ending with 2 zeros. Suppose 1000 is there. Is it a perfect square? No, it is not a perfect square because it is having odd number of zeros. Okay, it is ending with odd number of zeros. Okay, so coming to this case, coming to 5050, yeah, it is ending with only 1 0. Sir, somebody says this is also one more 0 here, so it is having 2 zeros. It means even number of zeros. Then why it is not a perfect square? Yeah, I am telling you very clearly. It must end with 2 zeros or 4 zeros or 6 zeros, or directly we can say even number of zeros. Okay, it is having 0 at hundreds place. Okay, between 2 zeros we have another digit, that is 5. Okay, that is why it is not a perfect square. Okay, so let me give you some examples to understand the perfect square concept. Yeah, 100 is a perfect square and 10,000 is a perfect square. Okay, and yeah, next 400 is a perfect square and 900 is a perfect square. Okay, so remember one more thing here, the perfect squares which are having 0, they must consist even number of 0. Yeah, once again one more question arise here, that is 300 is there. It is ending with 2 zeros, but it is not a perfect square. Okay, it is not a perfect square because all the perfect squares end with even number of zeros. All the perfect squares end with even number of zeros, but which numbers are ending with even number of zeros, they need not be perfect squares. Okay, okay, I will write here. Remember the property, not all the perfect squares, sorry, not all the perfect squares, just write down perfect squares end with even number of zeros, but if right, so I'm repeating once again, perfect squares end with even number of zeros, but all the numbers not perfect squares which are end with even number of zeros. I hope you understand very well, right? So now this 5050 is not a perfect square due to this reason. Okay, right. Thank you.